Hi everyone, November 22 Wednesday market. On daily basis, how calls are generating and how it performing in live market we are showing. Today it's a November 22 market. After 2 minutes of market open, 9:17 a.m. Sell call generated, red color candle open. Here the calls will be generated automatically. So automatic buy sell call generator in live market. It will analyze the market movement, analyze the candlestick movement. Whenever breakout happen, it will immediately give calls like a signal. Likewise, today after 2 minutes of market open at 9:17, we have received this sell call. Sell call came at 43,750 range. That straight white line from red color candle, that is our entry point line. Below our first target, second target line, above line is the stop loss line. First target is more than a 100-point target, 43,641. Second target is more than a 200-point target. After 10 candle, 10 minute of market momentum, during this downside direction, 80 point has been downside market movement. After a volatile, after up and down downside momentum, market has break out the first target range. From opening of the call itself, it's a continuous bearish momentum, so it easily break out the target. 43,900 put option, it's a weekly expiry in the money option. So at 300 range, near to 300 range, we have received this buy call. And during the first few minutes, like first 10 minutes, market has given up to 80-point momentum. And after the first target range, it has given a 100-point momentum in an option chart. Because it's a in the money option and a fast momentum, we have received the same amount of profit as well as the future has given. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.